Hi everyone, this is Wilmar Swan, your friendly CPA Pinoy. I'm excited to walk you through the latest tax changes for 2025. Let's make sense of it together. Hey everyone, let's talk about the 2025 tax overhaul. Yep, those big changes Congress just pushed through. Whether you're a 9-to-5 or a small business owner or just someone trying to keep more of your paycheck, you'll want to hear this. So, what's the deal? The new law signed by President Trump is being called the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. Basically, it keeps a bunch of the 2017 tax cuts alive, throws in some new stuff, and shakes up a lot about how we file taxes. Let's hit the highlights. First up, the basics, tax rates for individuals. They're sticking around for good. That bigger standard deduction, also permanent. $15,750 if you're single, $31,500 for married couples filing jointly. More money you don't have to pay taxes on. Now, if you make most of your income from tips or overtime, listen up. There are brand new deductions just for you. Between 2025 and 2028, you can write off up to $25,000 in tips or $12,500 for overtime. Double those figures if you file jointly. But heads up, this phases out if you make more than $150,000 a year. SALT cap, the amount you can write off for state and local taxes, shoots way up to $40,000 for 2025. If you live somewhere with high taxes, that's a big win, though it phases out for the high earners. Got kids? The child tax credit jumps to $2,200 per child, and the refundable part is now locked in and adjusted for inflation. And for anyone helping their kids save, there's a new tax-free Trump account for minors, put in up to $5,000 a year, and you might even get a $1,000 tax credit if your child's born between 2025 and 2028. Car shopping, finance a brand new vehicle built in the US, and you can deduct up to $10,000 in loan interest if your income's under $100,000. For businesses, things get spicy. Bonus depreciation, write off 100% of new equipment instantly, now permanent. The same goes for the 20% qualified business income deduction. And you can expense even more stuff upfront under Section 179. But big shift, the government's axing a ton of clean energy tax credits, including those for electric cars and solar panels, starting as soon as late 2025. If you're planning a green upgrade, you might want to hurry. Oh, and side hustlers, good news, the IRS won't bug you with a 1099-K unless you make over $20,000 and have more than 200 transactions through apps like PayPal or Venmo. There's more. Charitable deductions for everyone, a new 1% tax on some remittances, and tweaks to how international business income is taxed. That's a ton of change. But here's the bottom line. You'll want to double check your tax gain for 2025 for our covered kayo kay San Juan Bayan Dawn. Doing nothing could mean missing out on some serious savings or paying more than you have to. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy to digest money updates. See you next time.